We're here at the Chicago Botanic Garden. Let's go check it out. Located in Chicago's North Shore, the gardens are situated on 385 acres. Since its opening in 1972, it has matured into one of the world's great living museums, teaching gardens, and conservation science centers. Whether you plan to spend the afternoon or the entire day, the Botanic Gardens offer an expansive array of activities and events throughout the year. Ranked in the top 5 in the U.S., Chicago's Japanese gardens are a must-see. Sitting on 17 acres of lakeside and 3 islands, there's plenty to explore. By becoming a member, you also gain access to over 345 gardens throughout North America. Plan ahead by checking out the links in my comments section. For more sneak peeks, please be sure to like and subscribe.